everybody, happy Vlogmas. A lot of you guys were asking, are you doing Vlogmas? Are you doing Vlogmas? Are you doing Vlogmas? We're gonna see. We are gonna see if we can do it. I've just been crazy busy than I have ever been. You know, if you guys know, I work at a school. It takes majority of my day, and then when I'm done with school, I'm like exhausted from being outside, and it doesn't help when the weather is like 20 degrees outside, because when I get home, I'm just freezing. So we're gonna try to do Vlogmas as much as I can. I'm gonna try to upload it the day of. So today is Sunday, December 1st, and we are going to try to upload the video tonight. So if I don't get it done tonight, we'll do it the next day. Graham works 12-hour shifts now, so he wakes up at like the crack of dawn, even before that, and then we have to go to bed early, and so we all just go to bed early. So we will see, but today is December 1st, so yes. So I'm gonna share with you guys all of our advent calendars. Last year I went crazy. I went crazy over advent calendars, and that was okay. The kids had a blast, and so this year we didn't go as crazy. I'm still waiting for one to come in the mail. I ended up getting Charlotte a 25 days of Play-Doh. I ordered it like 2 or 3 weeks ago. It says it was going to be here like, I don't know, a couple days ago. Then it changed, says it wasn't going to be here till December 5th. Now it says it's going to be here today. So I will believe it when I see it. I was going to check actually the status on it to see when it was gonna come, but Amazon was supposed to deliver it yesterday. Yeah, it says it's supposed to be here by 10 p.m. today, so we will see. It's shipped. It's not out for delivery yet, so we will see. Otherwise, if not, she will just order it open to them. So I ended up getting a puzzle. I got an advent calendar puzzle. So what happens is there's 1,008 pieces in this thing. 1,008 pieces. What you do is you open up a little section a day, and then there's like 42 pieces. So there's 42 pieces per puzzle, or per day. They do have numbers on them, so when you do break this up, you can do this puzzle again. I got this for like 10 bucks on Amazon, and I thought this was super cute. Super cute. I absolutely love puzzles. Our kitchen table is completely cleared off, and we're gonna make it stay that way. But I'm excited to work on this puzzle, so I got that. We were in IKEA a month or so ago, and we saw this assortment of chocolates. Now this was $15. $15 for this, but inside you get okay, each calendar contains 2 promotional cards. So it says December 6th and December 24th each have added a surprise. So one of the surprises is a $5 IKEA gift card, and then the other surprise is a coupon for a free Swedish meatball meal. So I'm like, that just pays for itself. Like, it pays for itself because I love their Swedish meatballs. So Graham wants to do this one. Charlotte's obsessed with chocolate. I didn't get her a chocolate advent calendar this year, so I might get one for her tomorrow. I don't really want to leave the house, but we're not sure if we're gonna leave the house today. But I still have to get her a chocolate one. But we got that one for Graham. I found this one at Walmart for Ben. It was 20 bucks. It is 24 days of surprises. My phone's just going off. My alarm's going off. Give me a second. Mommy,
I want the chocolate one too.
Okay. So I ended up getting these. These are like some like squish fidget stuff. So this one I'm super excited for. This one was 20. Then I got Charlotte this Littlest Pet Shop. I thought this is really cute. It has little animals and stuff in it. I think I paid like $7 for this. So we got her this one. And then I got the Play-Doh one for her that's supposed to be coming today. This one was going to be for her, but Ben said he would take it. It's the mini brands. It's Disney. I thought it was regular mini brands, but it's Disney. I got this last year at Walgreens for like $3. So he said he'd take this one. Otherwise, I might find him something else. There was a rubber ducky one that was really nice, but they're really cheap duckies. But he was okay with that. You gotta say something? No?
Goodbye, Skyward.
Oh, so one thing I am asking for, if you guys want to help me out, is send me a Christmas card. That is one thing I absolutely love is Christmas cards. Now I do put them all over my cabinets, and then when I fill my cabinets I put them all on my door, and then when I fill that I put it on my closet door. I want to really fill, I keep going out of focus, I really want to push Christmas cards this year. So if you guys would love to send me a Christmas card, I do have the P.O. box below. Just send me a card. Send me a card. I absolutely love it, and I will open them on camera. So yeah, we got that. We did put our Christmas tree up a little bit earlier this year. Only a week early. Because Thanksgiving was so late, and I just wanted something nice to look at. So here is our tree right here. We got our 90% off star that I got at CVS a long time ago, but this is our tree. But yes, I absolutely love it. I got a lot of Paris ornaments. She'll be gone 2 years this year. 2 years. Yeah, we got the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile. I even have all the books that I read last year. These are all the books that I read last year. I have one for this year, and I don't think they're all going to fit in that ornament, but here's all the books that I've read this year. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. So I'm going to put that in an ornament or a snow globe depending on how much space I have. But yeah, so today I'm just kind of working on laundry. I am so far behind on laundry. I was working on laundry like 2 weeks ago, and our dryer started making this high squealing noise, and Graham fixed it. So I had to stop doing laundry, and then I've just been crazy busy with just things in general. But today I just want to like bum around and not go anywhere. I have to do stuff. I have a couple Etsy orders I got to do, but I'm just like, ugh. You know, but I just don't want to go anywhere. I've been going constantly lately, and I just don't want to go anywhere. I want to get the house picked up some more. I mean, our living room's pretty decent. Our kitchen just needs to be picked up a little bit more. I gotta empty the dishwasher and reload it. But today is just kind of chores and stuff, and then later today we will open the advent calendar because the kids want to wait till the kids, or till Graham's home from work. But other than that, happy Vlogmas, you guys. This is just an intro of everything that we do today. I will be bringing my camera. I don't know what we have planned for Christmas events this year. I might want to see if the kids want to do some like Home Depot stuff, if they have anything. We're definitely going to go see Santa. It used to be Cabela's, now it's Bass Pro Shop. So we have to see Santa. I'm thinking we might see Santa tomorrow, because Charlotte's hair is going to be all like clean and washed. I just have to see what Graham wants to do. But yeah, I might just go tomorrow, because it'll be easier. But other than that, happy Vlogmas, you guys, and I will be back. So the kids have said they want to actually open theirs, so we're just gonna have Charlotte open her one right now, and then she'll open her other one when we get it in the mail. So where's number 1? Do you need help? Ooh, these are actually pretty big. Oh, this one is. Okay, we're gonna get that one out. Okay, what'd you get?
I'm a fox.
No, I think it's like a coyote or a wolf. Look at it, it's like a little...
Or dog.
Yeah, it's cute, isn't it?
Or a werewolf.
Oh, werewolf, okay. Okay, Ben's gonna open his. He's just trying to get this one open. It's like tied up tight. So I can open my puzzle. I haven't not looked inside. I just opened it up a little bit. Oh, what's this? Okay, so here is what a poster of it is gonna look like. I don't know if it's this big, but we got a poster. And then they have them randomly all in these, which I absolutely love. But here is puzzle piece number 1. Yeah. Puzzle piece number 1.
There we go.
And I'll put these together in a second.
Whoa.
Okay, give me a second, honey. Then there's all the pieces, and then they have the numbers on the back. So that will help. So we'll put this one together. And I do have a puzzle holder, so I might put it on my puzzle holder. But now Ben's ready to open his. Okay, Benny's gonna open his. What did you want? You wanted the mushroom one? Oh, is this a ball squishy?
Can I have
I'm keeping it.
You can play with it.
a pink?
Yeah. Here, let me see what it is. It's just one of their little squish. They're known for like this squish ball. They're known for that squish ball. Okay,
keep it.
let's see what your other one is. Yes, it's yours. Kids fight. Aw, Charlotte has that. What is it, Ben? But she has it.
It's a Minnie Mouse.
It's a Minnie Mouse telephone, and Charlotte actually owns that.
Look,
Look at the back. It's on the back. Charlotte, you actually have that exact same toy.
Isn't that cool? Yeah.
I wish I got Zerd.
Zerg. Okay, so we are gonna open the chocolate one when Graham gets home. I'm gonna put the puzzle together, but I have to upload a video real quick. But yeah, so there's more. Okay, so the time is now 5:58. I have gotten I got my last load of laundry in the dryer. I have to put 2 loads away upstairs still. Like, they're all like spread out. They just need to be put on hangers, but everything is sorted and folded. Just needs to be put away. I haven't had this much laundry done in 2 months. I'm that far behind on laundry. I mean, I do it and then it just gathers up again. But I feel like I got a lot of stuff done. I got all my Etsy orders done, packed up, ready to go. I still have to do the dishes. The dishwasher's empty. I just gotta put the dishes in the dishwasher. I gotta make dinner. Graham will be home within the next 15 to 20 minutes. But right now, I'm actually gonna start working on this little puzzle. So everything is number 1. I'm gonna try to do it without looking at the photo, but we will see. And then what I'm gonna do is I have a tablecloth right here. I'm just gonna put it over the tablecloth. So let me finish this and Graham will be home in a little bit. Still waiting on our package. It was supposed to be delivered between 4:30.
What package?
The package that Amazon is supposed to be delivering. I have to look into that. And then Graham will open his chocolate. Okay, so we got 1 corner done. So I'm pretty excited. I like this. I like giving you like a couple pieces a day to put a puzzle together, even though it'll take us 25 days. But we're just gonna keep this hidden. I'm gonna put the box away because I know I'm gonna do this again next year. I think this is a really cool idea, right? Yeah, okay. Thank you. Let go. Okay. Okay, so don't judge me, but Charlotte still hasn't gotten dressed for the day, and that's okay because we're gonna go take a bath in a little bit. So we finally got this. Finally got this. It just came about an hour ago. Now I have to wash our tablecloth because it's all dirty from our chili. So Charlotte, find number 1. Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh, you got a bunch of stuff in there. I got this for like 10 bucks on Amazon. So, looks like you can build your snowman. So you got white, a roller, and then you got...
missing stuff.
Oh, it'll probably come in some other boxes. Right now, this was the big one. So she got a stamper thing to make your own snowman. Well, white Play-Doh, and then you got to make your own snowman. So that's cool. Look at that. Okay, show them. Show everybody. Yep. 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 Cool. Look at that. Sorry, I'm trying to put this. Okay, Graham is home, but he says that Charlotte can open his chocolate. So find number 1. Okay, you found number 1. Ooh, it's got like a little fancy ooh. I don't know what that is. Let's see what it is. So, hold on. So, this is an assortment of chocolate. It's like white chocolate with, I don't know if they have what it says on the back. Oh, here it is. Okay. So, this is a vanilla truffle.
I'm gonna eat it.
Okay, take a little bite.
Daddy, can I eat your chocolate?
Can I split it with you?
Take a little bite and then Daddy will take the other bite.
I'm gonna break it in half.
Just take a bite of it.
Here, watch this. I'm gonna cut it in half. Can I cut it in half? I'm gonna cut it in half right here.
So it's a
There you
vanilla
go.
truffle.
Thank you for
Let's see
sharing.
what it looks like inside. Since Charlotte's already just a vanilla. Charlotte, you like it? Yeah? Graham? It's alright. There is more. It looks like there's 2 more vanilla truffles in the box.
It's pretty good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. So the time is now 7:13 and I'm out of focus. Come on, let's focus. I haven't vlogged in forever that my camera's just not used to focusing. So it is 7:14. We just got done eating early dinner because Graham made chili when he got home. I'm gonna start getting Charlotte ready for a bath. I gotta get this video uploaded and we're gonna pick up the living room just a little bit. Even though the living room is not that bad, we're gonna, Graham's word?
Sustain it.
I hate that word!
How is it chili? What do you give it?
It was good. Graham wants, this is the chili and he's gotta clean up his mess, but he makes a really good chili. I hate to say this, but I like his chili better than my mother's. Better than my mother's. My mother's chili sucks. She's like had Graham's chili one day and she's like, this tastes different. And Graham's like, well, this is what I put in it. And she's like, oh, I don't do that. And I'm like, everybody makes their chili different. But I will choose Graham's chili over my mother's. But anyways, do you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
So tomorrow, I don't know what we're going to do. I have to go to Kohl's. We might go out to dinner on Tuesday, so if we go out to dinner on Tuesday, most likely we're going to go see Santa on Tuesday. I'm going to see the openings and then sign up right now. But do you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Mama.
I'll clean it up. We got to wash it. Say goodbye to everybody.
Mama.
Charlotte, say goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, we will see you guys for Vlogmas Day number 2 tomorrow.